Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process on your Surface Pro 7, make sure you have the following tools: a Torx T3 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. You'll also need a clean workspace to avoid any dust getting into your device. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 7 completely. Disconnect any accessories and ensure it's safe to work on. Next, use the Torx T3 screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back cover. Remember to keep these screws organized so you can easily reassemble your device later. After removing the screws, use a suction cup to gently lift the back cover. Insert the plastic spudger into the gap created and carefully work your way around the edges to release the clips. Take your time here to avoid damaging the internal components. Once the back cover is removed, set it aside and take a moment to clean any dust from the internals using a soft brush. This is a good practice to ensure optimal performance. Next, you'll see the battery connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the connector using the spudger. It's crucial to do this step to avoid any electrical short circuits while you work on the screen. If at any point you feel unsure or lack the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and can assist you with this process. Now, you will see the screen connectors. Gently pry them open with the spudger, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. With the connectors free, you can now focus on removing the broken screen. Start by applying heat around the edges of the screen to loosen the adhesive. A heat gun or hairdryer works well for this step, but be cautious not to overheat any parts. Once the adhesive is soft, use the suction cup to lift the screen away from the device. If you encounter resistance, use the spudger to gently pry it further away. After successfully removing the screen, clean any residual adhesive from the frame. Now it's time to install the new screen. Align it carefully with the frame and press it into place, ensuring all connectors are properly seated. Reconnect the battery and screen connectors, making sure they click into place securely. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to power on the device to test the new screen. If everything looks good, you can proceed to put the back cover on. If you find any issues during testing, remember we offer a quote before repair, and our team is here to help. Finally, reinsert all screws into the back cover and ensure everything is tightly secured. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the screen on your Surface Pro 7. If this process seems too daunting, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to travel or make any calls. Enjoy using your newly repaired device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.